What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys, and it is another SPAC stock, and that stock is none other than Gores Metropoulos, ticker symbol GMHI, and it is going to be merging with Luminar Lidar, and that ticker symbol is going to be also changing to laser, which is another pretty sick ticker symbol to have. I think because of that, there's going to be a pop. A lot of people will just jump into it because of the ticker symbol, and I've seen that before in other stocks like pizza, Wi-Fi, money, and people just were buying these for absolutely no reason, and I think it was because of their ticker symbol. And I think with laser we could see some of that kind of action into this company as well. Now with this company, I want to be very upfront with you. Do not expect the stock to pop within the next week or two. This is a company we are going to be targeting the bottom and riding it to the top, because I think it's going to take about 2 to 3 months before we see a huge gain. And the whole purpose of doing this is to buy it at the near bottom. Now what this company is doing is going to be giving Tesla some competition into its autopilot. Now Tesla has a monopoly on autopilot right now, and I think with Luminar Lidar coming into play with their sensors for their autonomous driving, they're also going to be taking some market share from Tesla on their autopilot. Now also what's going to be happening is that is going to be actually very good for consumers like you and me, because the price tag on these cars will go down because it's very expensive right now to make autopilot cars. But with more competition coming into play, more people buying more of this technology base for autopilot, it will cause the price to go down. It will also cause the price of the cars to go down as well, which is great for us consumers. Also, we're going to be going over some technical analysis, some charts on this stock, and I'll be telling you where this stock is going down and why it's going down, because right now it is on a downtrend and we are waiting to buy it at the bottom. I do not have any shares into this stock right now because I'm waiting to target it at the near bottom, and I will go over all of that into this video, all the technical analysis you need, all the charts, all the MACD, all the RSI, all the values you need to follow in order to get it at a best price and ride it from the bottom to the top. Now, all I ask for this video is for you guys to smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I really do appreciate it. So with that said, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out GMHI Gores Metropoulos on stockcharts.com and see where it's headed. As you can see, it is definitely on a downtrend. The RSI is still pretty high to me. I like to personally buy stocks in the extreme RSI, which is usually around 30 or below. And I don't think this company will be hitting 30 anytime soon. It will probably be somewhere around 35 to 40 RSI is what I think would be a nice buying opportunity. Right now, I do expect this company to continuously go down on a downtrend. I do not expect it to go upward anytime soon. As you can see, that is because even the MACD has crossed over and it says sell and get the heck out. MACD crossed over, TSI crossed over, it says sell, get out. There's no real good news for this stock to go up. All the news has already been expanded on and told. And as you can see from the horizontal curve, it's telling you this company will be continuously going down for at least a few more days. I would definitely not recommend buying it right now unless you really want to hold this for long term, and then that is definitely something I would recommend because it is pretty down. It is a very nice price. It looks pretty down right now, but I like to personally buy stuff at the near bottom, and I think it still has a lot more room to fall. Somewhere between 11.10 to all the way 11.40 is a very attractive price. It did hit it on Monday, 11:40ish, and it did look pretty attractive, but I think I still wait and hold until it hits about 11 to 11.10. That is a nice entry price. I think that's going to be the bottom, and that is personally where I would get in, right around here. Excuse me, let's make a better line right here. And that is going to be a nice support level right here, because pretty much you have several days supporting this level. Right now, not a lot of support here. It has plenty of room to fall. This has absolutely no support at 11.75. No support. So much room for it to fall to 11.25. So if you're in this and you have some profits, take it. It is above the 50-day moving average, and it is above the 200-day moving average, but I still think there's a lot more room for this company to go down, and you can get definitely a better price for this company, which is something we always want to get. Now, don't expect this company to explode, okay? I'm telling you, this is going to be at least a 1 to 3 month hold until it gets much closer to the merger date, which is not announced yet. All they announced right now is that this SPAC will be merging with Lidar Technologies, Luminar Lidar, and it will be changing its ticker symbol, which it actually has a really cool ticker symbol, and it's going to be laser. And that is a pretty sick ticker symbol. I think just because of that ticker symbol will probably make the stock pop very nicely, because it is a very catchy ticker. And I've seen a lot of stocks pop because of that, because of specific tickers. So I'm going to dive deeper a little bit into this video and tell you a little more about this company so you guys understand what you're buying into and whether you should decide to buy and hold for long term or not, or pass on this opportunity. The risk and the reward is all up to you. You guys make the final decision. All right, so here's some information about this company, about the structure, about what they're doing, their business model. And it's telling you there's going to be a merger between Luminar and Gores Metropoulos, and it's going to tell you about this is done through a special acquisition company, which is a SPAC, and what they're going to do is they're going to be raising $170 million by August 24th, and it's going to be funded to this company. And the valuation of this company, they're saying it's going to be valued around $3.4 billion. That's B with a B, billion. Dollars, and they're gonna have somewhere around 88 million in net cash by the closing time, which is pretty much good news for investors. All right, so I just want to show you a quick clip about what's going on with the company and what they have. So pretty much they're using sensors used for autonomous self-driving vehicles, which is the entire functionality of their business, and they're producing and manufacturing it to integrate it with autonomous vehicles and self-driving. And then, as you can see here, we have the sensors picking up 3D lights showing the vehicle as where to going and what's to pick up on this vehicle and how to be safe during a self-automated pilot. Now, if you guys go to the Luminar website directly, there's some really cool features you can check out about this company that I saw, which, as you can see with your mouse scrolling around, you could see different 3D autonomous of this graphs and pictures. They have a lot of features on this website. You could check out who their partners are that they're partnering up, like Volvo, Kodiak, NVIDIA, Toyota. They have a lot of different good partners that are going to be teaming up with them, and I think this company could be pretty huge. They have some really cool products I want to show you guys on their website that they have. They have like this Iris, and then they have this Hydra, and if you shift this little thing up back and forth, it's pretty cool, and you can see different things. But the thing is, they're saying that they're going to have this Iris program by 2022, which is a long way for me, you know, like I don't want to wait that long for something like that. But here's some specs you guys can check on your own if you go to the website. I'll definitely leave a link in the description below for you guys if you want to check it out. And I think it's pretty cool. It gives you a nice insight about the company, what they're doing, what they're headed, any careers you might guys want to be interested in applying. And also has an investors page. It tells you guys what they're going to do, their SPAC that they're merging with, where the company is going, how much money they're probably planning on raising capital, and approximately how much it could be making over the long run. And if you want to check all that, I will definitely leave a link in the description below for their website directly so you guys could check it out. And I think it's really important to always check a company's website, especially if they have something for investors personally that could give you a lot of insight about the company and give you a better presentation of whether you want to invest with them or not. Here's what Lidar is saying, that Luminar is going to be unveiling its Hydra, which was the picture that I showed you a little earlier. And what that is a pretty much a Lidar sensor, and that is going to be sold based on subscription, which is another way this company could definitely increase their revenue, selling subscription models and making money off subscription-based products. A little bit more information about the Hydra, which I just went over, and what it is, it's designed for high weight scenarios, and it has road tracking up to 80 meters and lanes up to 150 meters, and even it can track objects up to 250 meters, and it only needs 30 watts of power if you're having a car that runs pretty much on battery. And what's so good about it is that they use NVIDIA's hardware and their technology, which always is good to use software companies that are high tech, that are one of the best. NVIDIA is one of the best semiconductor companies out there. They make one of the best chips, and this definitely going to give Hydra a definite boost into the market, and it's going to be a very competitive product, showing 4 cars, 4 automated self-driving products here to come. Before I end this video, I just wanted you guys to know who the team is of this company. And usually you want to have someone that is a very good CEO, because as you know from all my videos, I always say the CEO is either the guy who is going to make it or break it for the company. And right now they have Austin Russell, and this guy is a very, very smart guy. And it looks like he's done some crazy things throughout his life. Ever since he was of age of 16, this guy has been an independent researcher on laser. And I think this guy already has made a name of himself. He's already a Forbes 30 under 30 billionaire. So you can see this guy already has a nice business-minded mindset. And he's going to definitely lead this company down. And they also have a really good CFO who's already 17 years with Goldman Sachs. So this guy probably knows money really well and how to spend money. And as you can see, all their players for this company are very good all-time competitors for their company, and they're going to be running this company in good hands. Unlike Nikola, you don't want to trust your stock, you don't want to trust your company into some CEO that you cannot rely on, like Trevor Milton. You can't rely on that. But as we can see from Austin Russell, this guy has a nice track record, so do his other fellow members on the Luminar team. With that said, thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. If you want to follow my trades, anything I buy and sell, I do post on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. Link in the description below. If you want 2 free stocks from the stock market, WeBull gives 2 free stocks, one for just signing up to use their platform, and a second stock worth up to $1,400 when you make a deposit of $100 or more, and you'll get a second stock from WeBull, minimum of $12 to up to $1,400. So check out the link in the description below if you want 2 free stocks from WeBull. If you want another free stock from Robinhood, gives out another free stock. All you gotta do is sign up for Robinhood app, and you get a free stock from that. You guys get a stock, I get a stock, and we both get to enjoy some free money from Robinhood and WeBull. Thanks again for watching my videos, and until next time, make money with Mike.